Good morning to you guys. So this morning I'll be showing to you this particular survey that you can actually take and be making at least £5 uh, between a day and 2 days, depending on how much you can actually get over it. And it actually pays within 24 hours. Yes, so we'll head over straight to it now. So you will go to your Play Store. So once you get your Play Store, you install it. This is the application, Voicey. So but then once you are done downloading, once you are done installing the application, don't open it yet. Are you getting it? Please pay attention. Don't open it yet. Go back to your browser. Go back to your browser. Once you go back to your browser, the browser you want to use, for me I want to use Chrome better. All right, so we are here now in our Chrome beta browser, at which I'm using specifically. So you can choose to use Brave, you can choose to use Kiwi or anyone that you want to use, but don't use Chrome. Don't use Chrome browser. You can use Chrome beta, but don't use Chrome browser. You understand? So now in this interface of this browser, I'm going to be pasting the link there that I will use and just sign up for this application. The link I actually want to paste now, I will put the link on this video for you, or I'll put it on the description. But you see the link on the video. Make sure you copy the link first before you go to the app. Even after you are done installing the app, don't open the app yet. You come to your browser and paste the link here. Then you press enter. Okay, so now it has taken us to this interface now. Okay, speak out, share your insight, do surveys and earn money, sign up. You can see from this interface it's saying join the voice panel to make your voice heard and influence your world. Sign up now for free and earn 300 points. Are you getting it? If you are not if you don't use this link and sign up, if you head over straight to your application and you go open the application like that and sign up using the application, you'll be starting from 0 points. Are you getting it? So it's better for you to start from here and earn 300 points. So you can see, share your opinion, take online survey, share your opinions and get rewarded. You get so earn points by completing our online surveys and redeem them for the reward of your choice. PayPal payments, you can use PayPal, you can use Amazon gifts and certificate and more. So what we are doing now is we are clicking on sign up. See now it's telling us that install our application and earn 500 points just after you register. So what you do here first is you close it, then you register. Are you getting it? What you do here first is that you close it and then you register. So you first register and then so you can see here that I say agree to terms and usage and policy. So you just click on subscribe. You can see that I say to access more surveys, install our app and get notifications as soon as new opportunities rises. What you're going to click on this blue icon that says click here to install Voicey. So once you click on it, so it's going to take us to the Play Store. So we're going to open from here. Click on open. All right guys, you can see now that it took us straight to the applications. You can see now that it's very straightforward. Now is inside the application, so you can see here that it's saying list of current surveys. Now the ones that are for me now, they just gave to me is this 350 points for 7 minutes, which means I'm going to take this for 7 minutes. Yes, this one is 300 points for 7 minutes, 120 points for 11 minutes. Estimate means at most. That's the minute you are going to use on those points. So what you are going to do is I'm going to pick on the first one. Are you getting? But before then, let me just show you something very few that you need to take note about. Once you'll be able to accumulate up to 4,440 points, once you're able to accumulate up to 440 points, you can easily convert it to £5. Like it will be converted, you can easily convert it to £5 and then you can just withdraw it out. Are you getting it? So now you can click on this. You can click on this what's it called? Sorry, I mistakenly click on that tax actually. So I'm coming guys. So for me now, I need to take this survey. So we are going to get back to this, all right guys, because I don't actually want to be filling up these things, you know, why screen recording is not actually very okay. But then let me just pause. So I was given 350 points. Now if you check on this, if you tap on this icon here, no icon, you are going to see it. So let's click on it now. So you can see here now can see the dashboard, you can see my profile, my points. You can see now that I'm having 650 points. Before, when I registered, you remember during the registration I was given 300 points. You guys, you are all aware. So I was given 300 points. So now plus the 350 points of the first survey I took, I was making was 650 points. So now once my point has reached 4040, I can click on this convert my points. Like I can click on this convert my points. You guys can you can see it, right? So that's what I will click on, and then the point will now be converted to pounds. It will be converted to £5. Then I can now withdraw. Are you getting it, guys? So that's actually how it goes. So I was sent a mail just now that I should confirm that I should activate my email address. Yes, I was too. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to click that place now. So if you're not part of the Voicey community, we are delighted to have you among us. Click to confirm your email address, take it survey and get rewarded. Now what you're going to do is you are going to this confirm your email address. You are seeing here this confirm your email address in this thick blue. Then you are going to long press on it. You are getting long press on it. Once you long press on it, you click on copy URL. Click on this copy URL. So you click on copy URL. Then you head over to your browser. Head over to your browser, the browser with which you used the other time. All right, so click on paste. So I've pasted the URL I copied. Then I'm going to click on send. Okay, so it's okay. So now the email has actually been activated. So with that, we can continue with our survey now. So what you do is you go back to that. So what we do is we go back to that application. Are you getting it, guys? So you go back to the application. So from here, you can now continue taking your survey. So we've already activated the account. So those are the major things that you need to do on this stuff. So those are the major things. So that's it, guys. So if you want to withdraw, remember that you must have your points must be 4,440 points. 4,440 points before you can convert. You can click on convert my points to pounds. That's where you can withdraw. If you find this video helpful, ensure to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified on every of our new videos, and ensure to subscribe as well to our channel. Thank you so much.